Yeah. We are here in sabi nila may aircon pero wala na. Kasi kay Friday. Pero may init, babe, no? Parang kami lang yung nandito ni Gogar. Solo-solo namin yung park. Pero wala aircon. Pwede sa hangin, babe, no? Kasi Pinas weather na karoon. In fairness. Baby! Yes, my baby! Around the park. As you can see, there's a covered and at the side, may playground for the kids. May pusa din. Let's explore, guys. May ano din doon, biking area. Pwede kang mag-rent ng bike.
Basin mo ni siya ang na-easy dapat. Wala lang nigana.
Okay lang kay Friday. That is my heel din. So, just imagine, guys. This is the circle. Nagawa nila ng park. Currently, 39 weeks and 3 days. And my baby still loves my tummy. Hindi pa siya lumalabas. That's why we are walking so much. My cervix still closed. So, yun yung update, guys. Baby, labas na. And hopefully by tonight, tomorrow, let's see. Hindi ko pa alam. Wala pa akong nakikita na contractions yung sinasabi nila or too much pain. Wala akong so doon na to.
So ito yung walking, ito yung biking siguro.
Dahil ka pwede mag-jog.
Pero mga halaman kayo mo padong mamatay, no?
Ano nga part? Magtuwan na natong mga playground.
Ada CCTV dire.
Wala natong target next time. Mga
So ano masasabi mo sa park na to? Maganda ba?
Maganda for me, okay siya. Daga na kita mo nung gawin ko ng mga buwan. Masya same sa katong kuan, babe. Albida ba to? Katong napo yung style. May payong-payong.
Ayun yung baby namin, baby Mary.
Mary Anaya. 500 meter. From where? I don't know. I don't know if we reach 500 meter. Are we near, babe?
Yep.
100 meter na lang. Nakita niyo mo 100 meter. Naka 2 kilometers na tao.
So how's your experience overall?
That's great, Char.
Will you recommend the park?
Yes. Absolutely. Because it's so wide and spacious. Wala masyadong tao dito, guys. And actually, mas better pa siya if may aircon sana. Kaso siguro maganda na yung weather ng Qatar. Kaya tinagal nila yung aircon. Aside from that, you're surrounded with this green plants. Mahangin din siya. But, syempre if summer dito sa Qatar, this aircon is really highly needed. Hindi kakayanin pag walang aircon. But now it's absolutely okay. Naka 2 km kami ni Goga. for 1 hour walk. My baby, I hope lumabas ka na. Sige na. Para matapos na itong walking namin. Later, tonight, baby, where are we going man? For walking again. Lia Park na naman, no?
Pwede po sa expo.
Oh, yeah, expo. Pwede ha, after hatid ka ina, mag-expo ni later. And, almost done na ba? Di pa, no? Isa pa? Kala ko tapos na guys, di pa pala. One more shot and uwi na kami. Medyo napagod na ako. At saka ipakita natin, babe. Look here. This is the longest AC outdoor path in the whole world. May award siya. It was achieved last year only, October 17. So it was just like a year ago when this one was established and received the record, di ba? Wala lang, mayaman si Qatar, hindi niya alam kung saan niya ilalagay perahan. Ma-amaze lang ko kasi this one is desierto talaga. Very patag. But they made this. Oh, may mga hill-hill po dyan. This is only man-made, guys, because Qatar is not, let's say, blessed with green places. But they are super blessed with oil and gas, di ba? That's why they're so rich. And they can do what they want. Bigla, kaya sa ito, umakdo. We're done! That ends our vlog, guys! That ends our walking vlog. Thank you for coming with us. See you next time or see you later at the expo. Okay ba?
Okay.
And our krusi is so dirty.